Right, listen, it's just before half time I've had to come out of there, right? Out with the Grêmio, I was in there, I got a feel for it. The reason I've come out is because of this avalanche. Avalanche, you think, snow. No snow, we're talking about geezers running down 100 miles an hour when they score. So we've just had to slip out, go into the safe bit, the press bit, you know, just for our own safety, to be fair. And I want to see it from afar, I do not want to be in the mix of that when it kicks off. Okay, man, they're lunatics, this Grêmio. Sure enough, 10 minutes into the second half and Grêmio score. Cue chaos.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.